This video, you're going to see me and a few other people catching fish. Let's take a look. It was a rough January and February. A lot of snow, cold days. Some of the lakes froze, but not enough for me to walk on. There was a crust of ice on the river for a few days. But things are warming up. And let's take a look. This is March. If you're looking at this, if I'm posting this video, if you see this, that means I caught something in March. But January, February, it was awful. I thought I seen this rod bend. It's possible. But if he's in there, he's in that mess. He would have swallowed. He would have swallowed it by now. Take a look. Let's see if I can feel him. I'm not doing anything right now. Trying to see if I can feel something. Could have been debris floating down the river. Or he could have took me inside all this mess. Let's pull it up a little bit. Take some of the slack off. I don't feel anything. Let's see. Am I hung up? Well, I got him out. Now he's wrapped up around some small branches. I'm on something. I don't think it's a fish. Oh yeah, it's a fish. Oh yeah, it's a fish. Fish. The tree doesn't pull back this hard. There's a fish on there. This is where patience becomes important. Trying to get him to come out. It's a standoff. Okay. It's free. What the heck? this? I know what it is. That's Gene's line. He was tied up with Gene's line. Let's bring him around. Try not to slip, if you know what I mean. Holy smoke. Okay. He's not a big one. I think I could hoist him up here without getting killed. He was wrapped around. Look at that. You see that line? Let's see. Holy, I tell you what. First catfish. Easy. First catfish of 2021 for me. You've seen Donna and Gene catch them. Well, this is my first one. What a mess this was. Look, he was caught by this hook. Let me take that out. This is not my hook. But he was wrapped up. He was wrapped up. My line was wrapped up in a whole lot of line. And unbelievable what happened. Before you know, the rod bends in half. And here we go. The fight is on. A lot of debris in the water. She did her best. What do you know, Donna?
What?
What do you know? You said you told me you didn't know.
Oh, I might be stuck. Who knows? Gotta get that dog stuff.
Okay, go underneath that. Go underneath the rod. Yep.
Under. Okay. Oh no, I hope he's not by the. Oh. He might.
Holy smoke! Way down there.
He might be. I'm not gonna get him right.
Hold on, let me get this rod. You go around me.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh geez. Well, this is good line though, so.
Are you bring? Don't hold on. It doesn't sound like you're bringing it.
Doesn't sound like anything's happening, huh?
Yeah. No, wait a second. Make sure this is tight. Oh, that's way too loose.
Oh, okay.
Too loose. You're not bringing anything back. Okay.
Oh my God. Well, he's either huge or I'm hung up.
I think he hung you up. Oh, look at him. Donna got a fish, but now to get him out of there.
How am I gonna get him?
You know what?
What?
The drag was a little loose. We tightened it up. We got the fish closer to the bank, but he wrapped himself up pretty well around the big tree. Just like we expected it would happen. I took the rod from her and I tried to get the fish out. Sorry, Donna, I lost him. didn't break off. The knot on the hook came loose. Oh well, gotta practice making knots because you're gonna get bigger ones.
So this young man was interested in me catching fish.
You want to reel him in?
We had a conversation, then I walked away.
Oh, let's see if we catch him. Hold on.
And in a little while, he comes and gets me. He says, "Mister, I think you have a fish on." And I surely did. So I let him bring the fish in. Let's take a look.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what we've got. You gonna reel it in?
What?
You gonna reel it in? Who are you with? Over there, your mother? Go tell him you got a fish.
What do you mean? What?
Oh, so they can watch you.
It's fine. I can tell them later.
Well, how are they gonna know that you caught him? They're gonna think I caught him.
They believe me.
Okay.
Because they never believe me.
Come on. You know how to do it? Okay, this young man's gonna bring this fish in.
Oh, it's hard now.
Huh? Pick that stick, put the rod up, bring the rod. Keep the rod tip up. Yeah, let me see that. Whoa. Why? Here, hold it. Is he still there?
Yeah, he's definitely still there.
Okay, I hold the tip up, you reel him in.
Oh, man, he's a big one.
He is a big one. Where is he? He's over there. All right, you know what we're going to do? Here, we're going to go around. We're going to go to the boat ramp. Is he still there?
Yeah, he's definitely still there. I think. Yeah, he's still there. But it feels later.
Whoa, look at him.
Oh my god, he's gigantic.
Is that a big one or what?
That's massive.
Isn't it?
There, see?
Okay. Wow, look at him.
Oh, he's tired out, so it's much easier.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring him in.
Yes, you are. Okay, just leave him.
If I
Okay.
bring him,
Hold. Leave him in the water. Okay, hold on. Just leave him in the water. Don't reel anymore. No. Don't reel anymore. Okay, just hold. I'm going to get fish grip. Just don't let him go. Good.
My son is a lover of fishing. So
I know. He was watching my rods.
yeah.
We're gonna.
Would be.
Now you think?
You gotta get the picture with it.
Oh yeah.
Wow, he is organic. What do you use for meat?
Chicken. Believe it or not.
Chicken, okay.
oh yeah, I get that.
Okay.
Wow, woods.
Let's put him on. Let's put this on the ground. Put the fishing rod on the ground.
You gotta do
That's some line out here, so you get your picture.
There you go.
Ready?
Stand up.
No, wait a second. Are you going to hold it?
Hold it?
It's heavy. It's heavy.
All right, we'll see what's up at me. Oh, wow. What a cool fish.
That's a catfish.
Look at me, bud.
It's heavy.
Feeder. Wow.
Anybody else want to hold a fish?
Do you want to?
Okay, let's let this fish go.
Okay. You're going to... Okay. Now what you're going to do, you're going to open this up. Okay, hold. Just push this down. You see? Okay, ready? No, not the other way. Okay, now it's released, okay? There you go. You got him.
Charlie, look.
Go home.
Charlie, look. It's swimming back into the... Look, see? That's what it does on the ground. What? The catfish, they swim on the bottom. Huh? What a big catch was.
Yeah.
Give him a little nudge.
He'll find his way. Oh, you guys got boots on. You all right? You go in there a little bit.
Prepared.
Okay.
Oh,
He's going slowly.
wow.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
You got to come here in the summertime when
Do
they.
you get a lot of fish here in the summer?
Yeah.
Awesome. Good to know.
And it's a nice place because, you know, you got the boat ramp right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the kids could, you know, just bring them right here and catch them
Yeah.
all the time.